Here we are on the shores of Lake Pukaki. You can maybe see in the video the lake reflecting off of the clouds right now and giving them a crazy blue turquoise color. And somewhere in those clouds is Mount Cook, where we were yesterday. And it snowed, so all of these snow-covered mountains were not looking like this yesterday, but it looks real cool right now. And also, somewhere on this lake was the lake town scene after they evacuate in the third Hobbit movie. And Lake Town would be somewhere out there on the lake, and they would have all washed up on shore here. Maybe here, or some other shore on the lake that's also rocky. Unfortunately, the GoPro died overnight, so I couldn't film anything of Pelennor Fields that we just did the tour of earlier. But it was pretty cool, and it was somewhere over there, over that hill, on a farmer's sheep paddock. Such blue. And very cold. It's a very gloomy day, but that cloud color is really cool.
Worth it.
Mm-hmm. And all these snow-capped mountains.